Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram password. So let's say you want to log into another device, to a new device with your Instagram account, but you don't know the password anymore. So here is a simple trick that you can use to regain access to your password and Instagram account. So what you have to do is go to your settings options and scroll down to find the Google option and press that option. Now you can go to manage your Google account, and here we have to select the security option. If we scroll down in this page, we want to find the option password manager. So right here I'm going to search the Instagram option. So as you can see, I have my Instagram application here saved. Let me just confirm my identity. So right here, as you can see, there is your username or your email address you're using on your Instagram account, and then you have the password right here. You can copy the password, and as well you can press that I button and see your password that you're using on your Instagram account. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.